Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about how to use a button in any GUI application using Tkinter. So a button is a clickable widgets that we can use in GUI application. So here I have created a window. Okay, window, name of the window is window. I am assigning a shape. Okay, you can give the height and the width using this geometry attribute. I'm giving the title button example, and here I'm calling the main loop method to keep this window running. In between this I will write a code to create a button. Okay, so to create a button I will first take a variable name. I will call it button1. Then I will say tnk dot button. Okay, and here I will use the text property. This is similar to labels. Labels also have text property. Then I can give height of the button, let's make it 8. Then I give width 2. Then also let's give foreground color and I will make it green. Okay, so this will create my button. So let me I need to provide some layout, so I will use a pack just to stick this button to the window. I will use pack and I will run this. So this is what I am getting here. Okay, now this is not doing any on the button click. This button is there, but if I am clicking, nothing is happening, and its width is 2, width is smaller, height is more. So let me change this. I will close this. Let me make this in 2, then it should work fine. Now one thing you have to keep in mind, before you run it again, you have to close the application. Okay, if you will keep this application on, this might give you problems. So before running it again, you should close the application. Okay, so this is now my GUI application look like this. If I'm clicking, nothing will happen because I have not provided the functionality that should execute when I click this button. Okay, just button is there. So now I will add functionality to this click. Okay, to add functionality we will need to use a command property of this. There is a property for buttons, it's not available for labels, only for button. And here I can give some function. I have to define that function. Here I can give the name of the function. For now I can just call it some function. Okay, that means whenever I will click button will call this function because I have linked it to the command property of the button. So now I have to define a function. So let's define a function here. So what I'm going to do is, on the button click I will just say hello. Okay, so let me call this hello function. This function I will call it to display a hello message. Now to display hello I need a label, so I have to create a label here. Okay, so let's create a label here and let me use this same code. I don't want to, let me call it hello label, and this will become label, and I will just say hello. Height and width we can, let's make height is 2, width is 8. Yeah, that looks good. I can add font property also. I will say Arial and I will give 20. Now I have to close parenthesis twice. This parenthesis is linked to this one is linked to this. Okay, here I need to use equals to. Now I need to pack this label also. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now what will happen whenever I will click the button, it will see if there is any function linked to command. Now that function is hello function. I will replace it with this. Okay, so on the command this function will be called, and this function this function will create a label and display hello. Okay, so if I run this is my application. If I click this, it will say hello. So this is a small example how we can do something on button click. Right now on the button click I am displaying a hello message, but you can do many other things. Only thing you have to remember is there is a command property of button. Using that you can link a function. In that function you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so this is a small example how we can use button, and on button click we can do something. Now here I am using pack. I can also use grid. Okay, so let's change it and use it using grid. So I will close this. So let me comment this. I will use now grid. So let's suppose when I create first button, I want to keep it on the top left corner, and I can call it 0 column 0 rows. So I will call it grid, and here I will say row is 0, column is 0. Similarly I can do here. I don't want to use here. I will say hello label. Now this time this will be second row 0 column. That means I am creating basically 2 rows. On the top I will have a button, and when I will click the button I will have label. Okay, so if I run this is what I am seeing. Now they are on the left corner because this is the first row. Now when I will click, it will show a message here. If I click this, it will show a message here. Okay, so you can use pack or grid depending upon what problem you have, but both will work fine. Okay, it's only a layout issue. Okay. So I will stop here for this video. Thank you for watching.